mag-unboxing tayo for today's video. Anak, look at me here. Can I fix your hair first? You cannot see yourself. Look what Uncle got for you, anak. Ayan na, look at this one. That's for daddy, anak. That's for daddy. Here, there's another one. You may like it. Where's the other one? This one. Look at this one. Can you put it on? Put it on. Wow, that's so pretty. Look at me here. That's so pretty. Say thank you, Uncle. Put it on. Yeah, that's a hat. What is that one? Hat, right? Oh, there's another one here. You got lots of dresses. Look at this dress. Yeah, yes, it's pretty, right? Oh, there's another one here. How about this one? Do you like this one? Oh, look. Show mommy. Show mommy. That's so pretty. You look so cute, anak, with that one. Yeah, that's a terno-terno, anak. Say thank you, Uncle Eric. How about the dresses? Where's the other one, anak? There's another one behind you, the hat. Can you give me the hat? That one, anak. Ayan na. The hat is there. Ayan na. Look, mommy. Wala na siya paki. Basta gusto niya lang yung bag. You like that bag? Orange bag? Look at this one, anak. This is really, really cute. It suits you. Look at this one. Hold it. Can you hold it? Okay. Okay. Ang batang ito. Anyway, good morning mga shots. Kaya gising lang namin eh. Do you like your dresses, anak? Yeah, this one. It comes with the hat. Okay, let's try it on. Oh, there's another one. See? It's a big one. Can I put it on? Put it on. Come on, put it on. Let's see. Mommy, put it on. Oh, look at mommy. Pretty. That's so pretty, anak. Magagamit mo yan hanggang 7 ka pa yata. Medyo malaki-laki yan, anak. Can I put it on one of your dresses? Because these are cute. Oh, there's another one, anak. Look at this. Another bag for you. Is it pretty? Uy, nilabog. Nilabog sa iyang bastos ng bata, ah. Nak. Yeah. You got up. Bata ka nga. Oh. Itong bata na to, tinatapon niya yung lahat na lang tinatanggal yung ipit, lahat na lang tinatanggal yung mga chichibureche. Anak, just real quick, anak. Ito na yung damit niya, isa sa mga damit niya, nagkasya naman. Hanggang sa niya, ganyan. Pasensyahan nyo na magulo yung ating video dahil ang batang ito. Anak, that's for daddy. That one, it belongs to daddy. That's for daddy stocking. Ayan na. Yeah, that's for daddy. Where's the ipit, anak? Diyos ko na patawarin. Come on, let me fix your hair. Take a picture and send to Uncle Eric. Is that a good idea? Ayan na. Come on na, be good to mommy. Ang dami mong kagat, anak. Diyos ko na yung marimara. Lahat na lang ng katawan mo, anak. Daming kagat. Di ko alam. Bakit ikaw lang yung kinakagat? Di naman kami kinakagat. Kabad trip tong mga na ito. Ano ba kung makagat sa'yo, anak? Naglinis naman tayo ng bahay, anak. Ha? Ang dami niya. Tapos ang dami niya dito sa paa. Oh. Anak, what's happening, anak? Ang dami mong kagat. Di ko alam kung lamok ba ito o langgam. Kailangan mo na yata mag-stocking lagi, anak. Araw-araw, anak. What's that? Are you saying thank you to Uncle Eric?
Dad.
Yes, say thank you, Uncle Eric, for the dresses you got for her. It's very nice, right? Okay, say thank you. Very good. Yeah, can you show Uncle Eric with this one? It comes with this hat. Yeah, show Uncle Eric. Can I put it on?
I like
Oh, you like the bag? Yeah, it's pretty, right? You got 2 bags. It comes with dresses also. Yeah, that's for daddy. How about this one, anak? See? Pretty. Show to Uncle Eric. It's pretty. Ay, Itong anak ko. Anak, ang cute-cute mo pa naman. Masyado ka lang mainitin ang ulo. Ayan na. Can you behave, mommy, please? Just one more time, baby Anna. Real quick only. Can you give me like 1 minute? Be a good girl. Say, be a good girl. Sige na, dali na. Ay, Diyos ko, patamaran ng batang ito. Anak, real quick only, anak. Real quick. Come on. Ang dami niyang dress na binigay ni Uncle Eric sa kanya. Ang problema, wala pa sa mood magsukat-sukat. And napansin ko ito sa batang ito, hindi mahilig siya sa dress. Kasi tinatanggal niya talagang hinihila niya pa. Sabi niya parang ayaw niya. Anak, bakit naman ganun, anak? Yung isa, yung ate mo nga, lumihis na sa mga dresses, pakadress ng kabataan niya, ngayon wala na. Ang hirap na, iba na yung kanyang, aurahan. No. Okay, let's try it on. One more time. Wait nga lang. Oh, look at you. Oh, see? Look at your face. Huh? Where's the other hat? Where's the other hat? We'll take a video, anak. Oh, just sit down. Stay here. We'll take a video. Come on, come on, sit down here. Stop. Yan na. Look at me first there, here, nak. Sana all. Trike daw, trike. Call trike, nak. Trike. Call the trike, dali na. Call the trike. Say, hurry, trike. Oh, careful. Yung ating Ferrari nandito na. Come on, let's go. You want lollies later? Oh, come on. Stand up here. Here, oh, stand up. Come on. Ayaw na naman magpaano. Ayan na. Here, stand up here, nak. Come on, let's sige, ate, or will get mad. Okay, stand up here, nak. Come on. Oh, quiet. Oh, daddy, see us, oh. Daddy, look at Ayana, oh. It's okay, anak. We have to, anak. We have to. It's okay, it's okay. It's just a real quick, anak, real quick. I know.